No, Mr. Merrick, no, no. No son as loving as you could ever be a disappointment.
If only I could find her so she could see me. We're such lovely friends. Here now, that perhaps she could love me as I am. I'm trying so hard to be good.
Don't blow the same. She had to get out and make a change. She had a kid now, but much too young. That baby daddy's out having fun. He said, I'm on a roll with all the girls I know. His baby mama, she ain't so slow. He said, I'm on a roll with all the girls I know. I know you wanna hit that. I know you wanna hit that, hit that. Oh, the world is getting weird. Consequences are a lot, but hey, that's the way things go. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, thank you.
Kids now, who raise themselves. Sex is a weapon, it's like a drug. It gets them right into that grave that he just done. She said, I'm on the run, I'm chasing guys for fun. Her baby daddy, it ain't his only one. She said, I'm on the run, I'm chasing guys for fun. I know you wanna hit that, I know you wanna hit that, hit that.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Please. Oh, please.